Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. I'm Rebecca Austin, Kajabi mentor and conversion coach, and today we're diving into one of the most important tools for converting leads into loyal customers, and that is your nurture email sequences. If you are ready to guide your audience from mildly interested to motivated action, this is the video for you. This is part 11 in our Grow Your List series, and today we are diving into email nurture sequence. A nurture email sequence isn't just a series of emails, it's a relationship building journey. Done right, it builds trust, keeps your audience engaged, and positions your offer as the perfect solution to their problem. So let's break down the steps to crafting a high converting nurture sequence. You ready? Here we go. First up, start with a warm welcome. The first email sets the tone for your relationship. Plus, this first email is the most likely to get opened. So now is the best chance you have to connect with your audience on a deeper level. You want to also deliver the lead magnet they opted in for, even if it's just a link to your delivery landing page, and let them know what's coming next. Your goal here is to make a great first impression while showing them they made the right decision by joining your list. Next, you want to lead with value. Your audience signed up because they're looking for a solution. The emails that follow should focus on giving them quick wins, actionable tips, and useful insights that build trust and showcase your expertise. This isn't about selling, it's about solving. Show them what's possible when they engage with your content. Not sure what to say in these emails? Well, try breaking down the clip notes from your lead magnet and offer highlights in the form of quick wins, inspiration, and clear direction. Now, once you've delivered value, it's time to address objections and pain points. Think about the questions or concerns your audience might have, like, is this worth my time? Or will this work for me? Use stories, testimonials, and FAQs to show empathy and overcome these hesitations. This step is crucial because it builds the confidence your audience needs to take further action with you, namely, purchase your offer. Speaking of which, although we don't want to come across as sell, don't be afraid to ask for the sale. You've now built trust, demonstrated your value, and addressed their concerns. Now show them how your product or service can help. Focus on the transformation they'll experience and make the next step feel natural. Whether it's enrolling in your course, joining your membership, or scheduling a coaching session, be clear and confident in your call to action. And don't forget to follow up. Not everyone will convert immediately, and that's okay. Your follow-up emails can provide additional insights, address any lingering doubts, or share testimonials to reinforce the value of your offer. For those who don't take action, that's okay. Consider moving them to a longer-term nurture sequence so you can still stay top of the mind. Okay, so here are a few best practices to keep in mind while you're writing your nurture sequences. First, make it personal. Write as though you're speaking directly to one person. Use their name, reference their challenges, and keep the tone as conversational as possible. Second, segment your audience if possible. Not everyone is at the same stage, so tailoring your messages based on behavior, interests, or at least the lead magnet they signed up for can make a huge difference. And finally, you want to make sure you track and optimize. Pay attention to those open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to see what's working and what's not, and then fix what's not. When you craft an effective nurture sequence, you're doing more than just marketing. You're building meaningful connections that lead to long-term customers. Now, next week, we are going to explore your value proposition and how it impacts your sales. This often overlooked piece of the puzzle could be impacting how your audience sees you and subsequently sabotaging your conversions. You won't want to miss it, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that episode. In the meantime, I invite you to check out the full Grow Your List playlist found in the description below and be sure to check out our free offer template. This handy tool is what we use with our coaching clients as the foundation for everything they build in their business. And it's the first thing that we use each and every time we create something new for our clients. And remember, the key to success is found in your inner voice. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.